Hey, it's Jason with jams.net. Thanks for watching this video. As you know, I have a lot of different cars. It could be a 2023 Ford Maverick. It could be my 2007 Land Rover L322, a 2003 Silverado, a 1991 conversion van. I love the L322 is another one. And keeping these vehicles plus all of them on the road at the building can have its unique challenges, to say the least. Now, I by no means claim to be a master mechanic. In fact, I would say I'm more of a DIY car guy. And when you have an array of vehicles, you have an array of issues typically. However, I have a level of comfort knowing I can access EManualOnline. These give me in-depth repair manuals for over 2.5 million vehicles. It even has all of my Land Rovers covered, and in-depth schematics of how things work. Gives me access to what typically master mechanics and pros have in a PDF form that I can load on my phone, I can look at in my office, and I can be a little more educated and equipped when working on the array of vehicles as part of Jason and Jack's garage. Check them out. I recommend them. I think you'll like them.